Hi guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my kitchen. We all love French toast. One day I decided to try something different, and this is how I came up with my so-called French toast with a twist. What I do is I stuff the French toast with Nutella and marshmallows. It's delicious. I'm doing it 3 ways. If you want to see how I'm doing that, keep on watching. If you like my video, click the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Enjoy the video. I'm gonna start with the mixture. Using 2 eggs, half a cup organic whole milk. You can use half and half if you like. A tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon cinnamon, and the vanilla, I'm just gonna eyeball it. And here is my secret ingredient. I use liqueur. This one is our favorite, espresso coffee by 99, but today I'm going to use that one, Tequila Rose Strawberry Cream. Oh my god, that's really yummy. It smells great. I'm gonna put one more. Made a little mess. And we're done with our mixture. My chosen bread is old-fashioned enriched white bread. It's nice, soft, fluffy, but you can choose anything you like as long as it's soft. And now I'm going to show you how I make my stuffed French toast. we are ready to fry our French toast. This is my choice of oil, vegetable oil. And I like a little more oil in my frying pan. This way I can grab the French toast fast. I'm gonna check now with wooden stick. If it starts making bubbles, the dough is ready. So let's do that. Now when I'm removing them, I'm gonna place them in a plate. I have prepared plate with paper towel so it can soak the extra oil. I'm gonna put just only some powdered sugar, and that's it. You can arrange and have them with some fruits, and again the stuffing can be your choice, any jam or with any fruits, anything you would like. This is my stuffed French toast. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe you should try it. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you next time.